G'day YouTube family. In today's video we're going to be putting on a front splitter from the Dreamizer. In the Dreamizer kit we've got a main centerpiece, and 2 link pieces, all of your hardware, and then a set of instructions. The best thing about this kit is it's completely universal. As long as the measurements from your car fit the measurements of the kit, it will fit your car. Just make sure there are no wild variations in height on the bottom lip. There are holes in the bottom of the main piece of the splitter to help you line it up on the bottom of your car. Get a Sharpie and mark through the holes on the bottom of your car, and then pre-drill the holes so it's easy to go in. Once you have fit the main centerpiece, you can start applying the side pieces to match your desired look. Now the kit can be a little bit fiddly, but with a bit of perseverance you'll have no trouble getting it on. I used aftermarket front splitter rods just to stabilise the splitter a little bit more. That was a quick and easy install. I think that looks quite good. Now time to get it off the ramps and see what it looks like on the ground. If the Holden was any lower, I think it would have ripped the front bar off the car. Lucky. Now let's go and take this for a drive and see what it looks like on the road.